this is a big day for all of us. And I'm glad that Congress was able to act on 4 separate pieces of legislation, most notably the CARES Act, to deal with this two-front war.
United States Senator John Cornyn visited Angelo State on Monday to see the results of the CARES Act in San Angelo. During his visit, he spoke with a number of students who benefited from the act.
My impression is the students are really glad to be returning to school and resuming their education. I know the lockdowns and the mitigation efforts that we have all participated in were necessary for a while, but after a while you get a little stir crazy and you just like to get out and about, but we all want to do our part to stop the spread.
Joining Senator Cornyn on Monday were a number of local officials, including Mayor Brenda Gunner, County Judge Steve Floyd, newly appointed President of Angelo State General Ronnie Hawkins, and Superintendent of SAISD Dr. Carl Dethloff. All of these thanked the senator for fighting for them and getting them the coronavirus relief money they needed.
Again, Senator Cornyn, those funds that are allotted to SAISD, over $2.8 million, that will strategically and fundamentally allow us to start school this Wednesday, August 19th. With PPE devices, we have over 74,000 masks that were purchased, over 2,500 face shields. So it is because of these funds that we are allowed to operate our school systems.
You've heard about some of the stories from the students of how they've had to move on and come through the adversity. But as a result of that type of support that you have given them, we're able to come back right now.
Senator Cornyn finished his day at Angelo State by reminding the crowds that he wasn't done yet and will continue to fight for the people of West Texas.
So we know there's still need out there, and we didn't know how long, when we passed the CARES Act in March, how long this virus was going to be a problem. But we now know that people still need some help, and I'm still remain hopeful and that we will get our act together and we will pass additional aid for all of the various people who've been affected, either from the public health consequences or from the economic consequences.